Welcome back to Buy Smart. Today, we're taking to the skies with two drones that promise to make you the next Spielberg of aerial shots. On one side, we have the Holystone HS440 foldable FPV drone, and on the other, the IDEA brushless motor drone. Let's see which one will make you the king of the skies. First up, let's talk about price. The Holystone HS440 comes in at a cool $129, while the IDEA brushless motor drone is just $89. That's a $40 difference, but does cheaper mean better value? Let's dive in. Next, we have the camera showdown. Holystone boasts a 1080p HD camera that can be adjusted within 90 degrees. However, the IDEA drone comes with a 4K Sony sensor camera, offering superior resolution. Reviewers appreciate the Holystone's camera for its ease of use, but the IDEA's camera quality is often highlighted as a standout feature. Now, let's talk about airtime. Both drones offer 20 minutes of flight time, which is pretty decent. Reviewers of the Holystone HS440 appreciate its battery life, which often exceeds expectations. Similarly, IDEA users find the dual battery setup convenient, ensuring uninterrupted flying sessions. Features are where things get interesting. Holystone offers automatic takeoff, precise hovering, and one-key high-speed rotation. Reviewers enjoy its ease of use and fun features. On the other hand, IDEA brings 360-degree obstacle avoidance, optical flow positioning, and gesture control. Many users rave about these advanced features, making it feel like a high-tech gadget. For beginners, Holystone offers emergency stop, headless mode, and altitude hold, making it an excellent choice for those new to drones. Many reviewers highlight its beginner-friendly features. Meanwhile, IDEA provides headless mode, one-button takeoff and landing, plus 360-degree flips. Users, especially younger ones, find these features exciting and easy to learn. Reviewers generally find the Holystone HS440 to be an excellent beginner drone, praising its ease of use, durability, and decent camera. However, the IDEA brushless motor drone stands out for its advanced features and superior camera quality, despite some mixed reviews about its build quality and battery life. So which drone would you fly high with? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on our smart buys. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep flying high and buying smart.